So for today's video is going to be another Korean inspired makeup, but this time it's called the Ulzzang or Ulzzang makeup. I don't know the right pronunciation, but alam nyo na yan. Pag ginugol mo yun, ibig sabihin ng Ulzzang makeup is like the best face. Like the best of everything. Your face, your makeup, your hair, and even your style, your wardrobe, and everything. And maraming salamat sa Pinterest. Dahil first time ko lang narinig na meron palang Ulzzang. But this is not the first video na gagawa ng Ulzzang makeup. Pag nag-search ko sa YouTube, marami nang gumawa nito. Makikidagdag lang ako. So, dadagdag lang ako sa options mo ng mga makeup. So, that's what I'm going to do for today's video. Pero syempre bago yan, mag-skincare muna tayo because the difference between the typical, Korean makeup and the Ulzzang style makeup is that may mga certain requirements-ish. And the very first requirement is kailangan maganda yung skin mo, maganda yung base mo. You're like moisturized, hydrated, and everything. So, ipapakita ko muna sa inyo, meron akong mga bagong skincare. So, pinadala sa akin to ng Nature Skin Secrets. First product is the Golden Glow Facial Wash. It removes dirt, dead skin cells, makeup, excess oil, and other impurities. It cleanses your pores and brightens dull areas on your skin. By the way, kapag meron kayong narinig ng mga commotion channelin, ongoing kasi yung ayun na, sabi ko na ongoing yung pagpipinturo ng husband ko. So, andyan lang siya. And eto, nakikita nyo parang ayos-ayos, but like around me, it's full of clutter. Anyway, as I was saying, so eto yung kanilang facial wash na gagamitin ko later after, my makeup video and everything. But this one I can use right now. Eto yung kanilang aloe vera spray. Moisturizes and protects the skin from a harmful environment. It can be used on the face and body. So, gamitin na natin. I'm just gonna wait for it to set. And then guys, meron din pala silang glutathione and milk soap that has SPF 30. What I love about Nature Skin Secrets are natural products yung ginagamit nila. And that's what we need nowadays. Yung mga less chemical and everything. Next I'm going to use is ito. Oh my god, you guys. Look at these. Ito pala yung title niya. Mabasa ba? Golden Glow Serum. Okay, so ang ginagawa niya, a scented DNA serum to help repair, moisturize, tighten the skin, and restore its youthful glow. Tapos meron siyang collagen, Nectapure, Pepper Protect, and Peptide. So you can use this every morning as a daily moisturizer. And yun ang gagawin ko ngayon. Well, hindi naman talaga siya injection. Ito guys, honestly, 3 araw ko nang nagagamit. Pero, I don't use it at daytime. I use it at nighttime. And, ang ganda ng skin ko, like, the next day pagkagising ko. Like, hindi siya super oily. Tapos, may rosy. Ano mo yun? I like that. I like that one. So, let's proceed with the makeup. First requirement sa Ulzzang makeup is kailangan very minimal lang yung base mo. So, use a BB cream or you can use a foundation, pero like, super light lang. And it's nice if you have a good skin. Wala kang mga blemishes or you have a good day skin, but it's not so nice if you have, some blemishes here and there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use itong Sansan High Definition Coverall Liquid Foundation. Eto dye, full coverage to. Pero I'm just gonna use very small amount. Tapos beauty blender pa para mas mas minimal. Minimal looking, mas manipis. You get what I mean. So I'm just gonna add another layer to cover my blemishes. Diyos ko, dahil meron akong kagat ng lamok dito. Napakagaling ano po. Eyebrows, ang gagamitin ko is itong Skin Potions Aladdin Collection na eyebrow pencil. And sa Ulzzang makeup, hindi like super duper plakado yung eyebrows. Parang ano lang siya, natural looking bushy-bushy-ish. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to fill up. Ito yung gagamitin kong brush. Now, let's proceed with the eyeshadow. And ang napansin ko sa Ulzzang makeup is, mga gagamitin mong colors ay earth colors or pink or yung mga colors na ginagamit sa mga natural side of makeups. Total, kakagamit ko lang ng FS Cosmetics. Ang paborito ko is yung iniibig. Gusto ko talaga dyan. Iniibig ko talaga. Itong iniibig day. Gamitin natin si Yini Hugma. Ayan. Earth tone colors, mga brown-ish. Now, one of the unique characteristics ng Korean makeup is they actually highlight the eye bags. And isa yun sa mga parang must do kapag gagawa ka ng parang Ulzzang makeup, which is i-highlight mo yung eye bagables mo day. So, pabor na pabor to sa mga puyatable. Apparently, if you do that, parang it's gonna make your eyes look bigger. That's what they want, you know. So, since this is a Korean makeup, lahat ng focus ng mga darker shades is andito, malapit sa lash area and sa outer corners. Have to stick to as close as possible sa natural-ish look. Parang you're just gonna put depth and dimension to the eyes. So hindi masyadong parang like deep and in your face yung eyeshadow look natin. Ilagyan lang natin na define lang natin yung eyes natin. Eyes ko pala. Natin. Highlight mo na pala ng eyes. So, I am using itong sorry guys, may construction kasi like sa labas, like dyan. So, I'm so sorry for the noise. As I was saying, I don't know what brand this is, but this is from Althea, Korea. And isa itong, ayan. It's a pencil, not stick. It's a pencil eyeshadow na shiny shimmering. And I'm going to use this to highlight my inner corners. That's one of the requirements sa Ulzzang makeup. You have to highlight parts of your eyes to make it look big and fancy. And then, don't forget to highlight your eye bags. It is one of the most important thing that you have to do. Highlight your eye bags. From the Minamahal palette, I'm going to get this one. It's a shiny shimmering splendid. Just using my fingers, very very tiny lang. I'm just gonna put a little bit in the middle. So, as I was saying, yung sa eyeliner. Karamihan ng mga Ulzzang makeup na nakita ko na Koreans do is hindi sila yung parang cat's eye talaga. It's more like dinidefine lang nila yung lash area and then they extend the line a little bit para like lumaki yung eyes. So this is from Maybelline Hyper Tight Liner. Sana may lumalabas, ano? Ayoko to. I don't like this. Buka natin tong Sunichido. Alam ko hindi ko rin to nagustuhan, pero like, hindi ko mahanap yung Tevian eyeliner ko, so we'll just have to stick to what I have. Do you see what I see? Yeah, in-extend ko lang ng very, very slight. Alright guys, next I'm going to do is mag-mascara na ako. But I'm gonna do it off-cam na lang kasi it's just, you know, ganyan-ganyan lang naman yan. Pero usually kasi ng mga Ulzzang makeup, they didn't really use like, yung parang, ang tawag dito, falsies. They just went directly with mascara. So, that's what I'm gonna do off-cam. So, ayun na nga, ang eyes natin. Next I'm going to do is contour my face, and isa to sa mga pinagkaiba ng typical Korean makeup to Ulzzang kind of makeup requirement yung contouring, because you really have to like cut out like ganon. You have to cut out like the fats over here and make your face look smaller. Okay, sige, ito na lang gagamitin ko. Bench Beauty Contour Stick. Ganyan kataas yung contour dye. Para talagang, tapyasin talaga natin yan dye. Kailangan lang talaga i-blend ng maigi. So, hindi ko nalagyan ng contour yung napakalapad kong noo, no? Because yung hair ko is may bangs naman. Later, you'll see. So, sa nose din, sa Ulzzang makeup, they're like really, really particular with your nose contour. Sa typical Korean makeup, hindi masyado eh. Pero sa Ulzzang, kailangan talaga plakado yung nose mo. Pero like, natural pa rin tingnan. Alam mo yun? So, mamaya na ako mag-highlight. But for the blush, I'm going to use Vice Cosmetics Cheeky Blush in the shade Playful Pink. But, I'm going to use sponge. Tapos, ang Ulzzang makeup, hindi like ma-drunk blush. They apply the blush actually sa outer side, like over here. Yung usually nakikita kong examples ng Ulzzang makeup. So, for highlighter, I'm going to use it in Colorette in Rose Quartz. So, if you want to set your face without taking out the glow, use the Skin Potions Glow Dust. So, for the lips, usually yung ginagawa nila is nilalagay nila ng concealer yung outer corners and then tint yung inner corner para yun yung parang ombre effect nila. I'm gonna try it now, pero hindi ko kasi napupusuan yung concealer around the mouth area. Tapos, sa gitna lang yung tint. Kasi parang, I don't like it. Pero, subukan ko lang. Pakita ko lang sa inyo. By the way, Maybelline. how they usually do it. This is like minadaling version, but you get what I mean? I don't like it. I really don't like it. So, I'm gonna change it. Ang mas gusto ko pang gawin, guys, is maglagay na lang ng nude color sa outer and then like deeper shades sa inner. So, I'm going to use itong L'Oreal Eye Enchant. Yung ibang Korean makeup style kasi parang paliitan ng labi and that's not my thing. I want my Angelina Jolie lips. And then, saka ko lalagyan ng deep shade sa gitna. And this is from Maybelline in this shade, Soft Wine. Guys, so this is the finished product at may pagganito nga po, no? At saka may mga pagganito-ganito pa, ano? Napakainit na po, ano? Pero that completes this video for today. Sana nag-enjoy kayo as we do this thing. And I hope I was able to give you some info on what is this Ulzzang makeup and whatnot. Yeah, check out yung skincare na pinakita ko sa first part ng video. Subscribe to my channel. Please, subscribe to my channel. And then, click mo yung notification bell para alam mo pag nag-upload ako ng video. And then, follow me on my social media accounts, you guys. MissBea_19 for Instagram. And then, for Facebook, DJ Bea pa rin yung pangalan ko. Hindi ko pa napapalitan. Pero yung Instagram palitan ko na. Diba dati it's MOR1019 Bea. But since we're done with MOR, so ginawa ko na MissBea_19. I was gonna use MissBea19, but like it's taken now. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye. Fairness, pwede rin yung hair ko, real hair ko. Blackpink in your area. Chai.